In this video, I will show you how to enable live closed captioning for your Zoom meeting with the service Web Captioner. So let's get started. So what we'll cover in this video is first of all the prerequisites necessary to enable live closed captioning via Web Captioner in your Zoom meeting. We'll discuss a little bit about what Web Captioner is, and then I will take you through the actual process of enabling those live closed captions. One thing to note is that this process will show you how to enable closed captioning for your voice only. I will provide additional instructions via a link to Web Captioner's website, where they provide additional instructions on how to enable captioning in a couple of other scenarios. So what are the prerequisites? Well, first of all, you do need to have closed captioning enabled in Zoom. So again, I'll provide a link below to how to enable closed captioning in Zoom. Additionally, for this particular process, you must be the host. So what is Web Captioner? Web Captioner is a web-based speech recognition program that allows for real-time voice transcription in your browser. It's free, and there are many instances in which you can implement it. Again, we're going to focus on its implementation in Zoom, but it has other uses, and you can find those on their website. I'll provide a link to the website in the description box below. And as I was mentioning, there are additional instructions for other scenarios, even within Zoom. So there is a process to enable live captions for all participants within a meeting. And there's even a process for enabling live captions if you are not the host of the meeting, so that if you needed to see captions for a meeting, then they haven't provided those captions, that you can still get them. So let's go ahead and get started. So you can see I have a meeting here that I've started, and I'm hosting the meeting, and I've enabled the closed captioning, so we can see the closed caption button down here at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to click Copy API Token. And next I will go to the Web Captioner service. So I have a browser window that's already open, and it's already on the website. Again, there's a link to this website in the description box below. So you can click Start Captioning. Next, we'll go down to the bottom right, and there is a Settings button down here in the bottom right corner. We're going to click Settings. We'll click Settings again. In the left menu now, we will click Channels. And then we will click this Zoom box. And here is where I paste that API token. So I'll go ahead and paste that. There's some options for update frequency. I'll let you go ahead and read those and make your choice. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on default for now. And then I will click Add Channel. Now we're ready to start captioning. So I'm going to click the Start Captioning button down here in the bottom right. And we can see, I need to allow the microphone. So if it asks you for permission, make sure you press Allow. And we can see that the service is working. I can see my captions coming up as I speak. Now we can go back to our Zoom meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this window. And notice the box has popped up, closed caption is available. So I'm going to click this little up arrow. Don't actually click on the closed caption button itself. Click this little up arrow and click Show Subtitle. And now, when you talk after a certain amount of captioning has been done in the background, it will actually display those captions as subtitles. So we can see it's trying to caption, and this is what it'll look like. Now, a couple things to note about any captioning service that's automated is there is going to be a certain level of accuracy. It's not going to be 100%. And obviously that accuracy may diminish depending on the technical level of whatever you're talking about. If it's heavily laden with jargon for your particular discipline, then it may also have less accuracy. So just to be aware of that. But nevertheless, it is a good service. And so I highly recommend that you make use of this if you have students or you yourself need this type of service. And that's it. So thank you very much. Remember, there's links to the website, additional instructions, and how to enable closed caption in the box below. And if you click on my profile, you can find more Zoom tutorial videos and other general tutorials, tech tutorials within my channel. All right, thanks. Bye.